In 1998, Ford contracted with the Marina Coast Water District to provide water to the former Fort Ord and its redevelopment. The amount of water is 6,600 acre-feet per year of groundwater. This is the same amount that the Army historically used when it was open. So this doesn't change. The amount the Army used is the amount of groundwater that'll be used now for the redevelopment of the entire base. Additionally, Marina Coast is to provide 2,400 acre-feet per year of augmented water. This would be a desalination plant or water from another source other than groundwater. In January of this year, the Board of Directors of Marina Coast voted to move forward on a desalination plant to provide that augmented water to the redevelopment of former Fort Ord. So together with groundwater and augmented water, you have 9,000 acre-feet per year of water for the redevelopment of Fort Ord. This water cannot be taken off the base. It cannot be used anywhere. It is set aside solely for the use of the redevelopment of the base. The question has come up, what happens if that doesn't happen? That's great that they voted to move forward, but is there a chance that they don't move forward? What would happen and how does it affect our project? What we've done to allay these fears is to break our project up into 44 phases. This is a map here that shows those different phases. Under California state law, and the regulation is Government Code Section 66473.7B1, every time I go into one of these phases, for example, if I wanted to say build out this phase here, and I went to the city of Seaside to get my permits, one of the things I would have to do is prove I have water right then and there with a will serve letter from Marina Coast. If that water is not available, I cannot move forward. I cannot grade. I cannot take a tree. I cannot do anything unless and until there is water. So as a safeguard for the community, you know that we will not be moving forward on any of the phases of the project until we show water is there for that particular phase. Each and every of the 44 phases of the project will have water before we start construction. Thank you.